Morning, friends. Let's share in the oil of joy as we read Isaiah 61, verse 3. To console those who mourn in Zion, to give them beautiful ashes, the oil of joy for mourning, the garment of praise for the spirit of heaviness. Please pray with me. Father, clothe your church with a garment of praise. We refuse the spirit of heaviness and lay down every burden of despair, anxiety, and sorrow. Replace mourning with joy and ashes with beauty. Let songs of deliverance rise from our hearts, homes, and churches, lifting the atmosphere over every city and province. Let thanksgiving become our weapon, praise our banner, and worship our constant declaration. Breathe revival fire into every gathering, ignite hope in the weary, and awaken hearts to live in joy, power, and gratitude for your mercy and presence. Amen.